Today we are going to discuss about daily safety rules during Ramadan. Let us simplify daily fasting safety into non-negotiable rules. Rule number 1, never skip suhoor. What will happen if you skip suhoor? It can cause the chance to hypoglycemia, dehydration, weakness. Rule number 2, break fast gently. Start with water. Avoid overheating. Avoid binge sugars. Rule number 3, hydration is worship. Drink water steadily between iftar and sleep. Rule number 4, sleep is medical necessity. Sleep deprivation worsens sugar control, blood pressure, and mental health. Rule number 5, monitor symptoms. Do not wait for collapse. Safe fasting is structured fasting.